Do you want to trade like a long-term investor? If yes, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to use 3 different lines to achieve the long-term investment strategy. Okay, this is super simple. And this one actually is in one of my course, the basic course, basically. I'm going to show you. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. So now this graph is S&P 500. You can see this setting, we have 3 color line, red one and the green one and the blue one. Basically, the blue one is the long-term, our long-term price, okay? The red one is the shortest term and the green one is the middle terms. Basically, as long as the blue one is in the uptrend and this 2 color line is above this blue line, we are safe. Basically, this is our strong trend. We are still going up. So you tell me right now, the S&P right now, are we still in the safe zone? Is it still going up? Yes, it's still going up. So basically, remember, any stock, when they go all the way up, they will need a break on the halfway, right? So it gives us chance to buy at the same time. So for example, this stock now is pulling back, but is it the right moment to buy yet? It's not yet according to this strategy, okay? So this strategy basically can tell us, I will teach you how to set the cut loss price and how to buy with this 3 line. It's very easy. And I will use one more indicator to tell you when it's very safe for you to buy, okay? So always it's good to buy with the trend. So this is S&P 500. The next one is our favorite stock, Tesla. I've mentioned a few days ago, the Tesla have reached the resistance point around here, right? So you can see this candle, this few days going down. So we have a little bit pull back, but should we be a bit worried? The answer is no, because you can see the color red, green, blue, and it's in the order also. And it's also in the upward trend. So we don't need to worry about Tesla. So, and you can see this is another indicator. It's one of my favorite indicator. I will teach you in the course how to use it. And we are in the red zone. So as long as the red zone is still above 50, so we are still very safe, okay? So this is Tesla. Then another stock is Nvda. So you can see Nvda is very stable. The blue line is all the way up, and then the red and green most of the time is above this blue line, you can see, right? So our buying with this strategy, our buying price is around here, okay? And the next buying price is around here. So we are still waiting the next moment to buy. It's not yet. It doesn't show any signal, so we don't buy. We only trade with signal. Okay, so and then the cut loss price, each time we push up um the cut loss price. So in order for the long-term trader, for example, when you buy here, the cut loss price cannot be here, right? So it has to be somewhere near to your buying price, okay? So I will teach you how to do it in my course. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my free webinar. And this is completely free. So I will give you some trading theory, and you can see my how do I trade for this strategy and some other strategy. I use different strategy, but this is very simple strategy. Just 3 line, 3 color, and 1 indicator. That's it. And this is for the long-term trader if you don't want to trade too many times. For other professional trader, or if you want to do swing trade to increase your return, I also have other indicator, other strategies. So this is another of my strategy. I call free buy, free sell. So it's very easy. So in one of my video, I also mentioned you this red zone is strong trend. Okay, so this is Nvda. So we are still in the strong zone. We don't need to worry, right? So this indicator also show we are still in the strong zone. Although this few days the TED dropped so crazily, right? But do we need to worry? No, maybe you will provide us a good opportunity to buy. But so far, this is not your financial advisor here, okay? This is just for education purpose. So far hasn't flashed the buy signal yet with this strategy, okay? So each strategy is different. So I just want to show you how do I do with different strategy. This is one of the strategy also. So very simple, just look at the blue line. As long as it's upward, is fine. And then I will combine with another indicator to show you where is the buy-in signal. Okay, so it's very simple method. So join me at the webinar. I see you there, and I see you in the next video. Bye.